with the kind of volatility we've seen in the market of late, a lot of our investors are looking for some sort of stability within their equity portfolios. Let's bring in Dhirendra Kumar, the CEO of Value Research, to help us understand how we can achieve that stability. Now, is there a case here for us to invest in pure large cap funds in order to stabilize our portfolios?
I would say that, first time investor who have never invested in equity and they're investing in a market related investment for the first time, balanced fund could be a superior bet. But generally speaking, Indian investors, their default investment is fixed income. So you don't need to allocate. So if you're seeking a market exposure, you're not very upset with little decline in value over a brief period of time, large cap fund could be a good starting point.
Well, Dhirendra, you normally also recommend balanced funds for those of us who are investing for stability. Now, there is a merit also to use balanced funds because it rebalances our portfolio. If you were to compare the two, for someone who's conservative right now who wants to tide through this volatility, would you recommend large cap or balanced funds?
Yes, if I have to recommend three balanced funds, I would suggest, you can choose any of the three. ICICI Prudential Balanced, the Birla Sun Life 95 or HDFC Balanced.
Using balanced funds there to get through this particular market, really. Dhirendra, we have a question that's come in from one of our viewers. Sudeep Bose has written in. Now, he's a government employee. He'll retire in the next 14 years. And he began investing 5,000 rupees each in the ICICI Focused Blue Chip, HDFC Balanced and the Birla Sun Life MIP. He started last year. He wants to know if this is really the best, portfolio for him. He's got a mix here. He's got one large cap, one balanced and one MIP. But for someone who has 14 years ahead of him, is this the right way to go?
These are good funds in the respective category, but they are not necessarily the best fund for you. If I have to suggest 2-3 funds, your focus should be to be able to diversify. You can do without an allocation to fixed income because you're a government employee and all your money so far will be getting accumulated in your provident fund, which is fixed income. So if I have to suggest 2-3 equity funds, invest regularly and 2 or 3 years before retirement, start pulling out your money gradually. Suggesting 2-3 equity fund, I would say HDFC equity or something like Prima Plus or ICICI Prudential Dynamic Bond, the Dynamic Fund, they could be reasonable choice.